Hi guys, let's do some cleaning with us. It's currently 7:58 now in Jamaica. Me and my toddler, we are going to get this room all cleaned up. So stay tuned, guys. And after that, we're going to get some dishes done. So let's go. So I bought this cute t-shirt yesterday because I go to the gym every day, so this is my fit that I wear to the gym with a bottom. Then I get this cute little gym tights that I wear to the gym. So I wear this to the gym with like a tube top. So I even got some package. I even got some packages because I do Amazon reviews on sex toys and so forth. So I'm gonna get this place all cleaned up. This is my toddler. I'm gonna get this unpacked here's another pair of socks, guys. I bought two at the store because I'm on a weight loss journey, so I gotta get it right. So yeah, I gotta get in my socks to wear during the days because you know when you go to the gym you sweat a lot. So yeah, so you gotta wear socks in your shoes so that it don't, smell. Guys, I will not be going to the gym today because I go from Monday to Friday. It's normally 5 days a week, so I take Saturday and Sunday to rest. So it's just me and my toddler here, and I will just clean up. Yeah. These are some glasses that I get last week. So I didn't get the time on Wednesday. I did the gym during the week, so I just gonna get So guys, I'm gonna head to the bathroom now. I'm gonna get my toddler to brush her teeth. So let's go. It's time for the dishes now. So we're going to wash some dishes and get this kitchen all cleaned up. So let's go. So this is how my kitchen basically looks. Uh yeah, so I'm gonna wash up these dishes now. What's up so these dishes? My kitchen is not fully finished yet, guys. This is just for a time until I got my right faucet and get this place all tiled up and done. So let's clean this kitchen as we're here now. Yeah, let's go, guys. Um, I went to the store yesterday, but I didn't remember that I didn't have any dishwashing liquid. So as you know, we Jamaican, we use anything wash plate. So this is what I'm going to use wash my dishes. I'm gonna use sod and some bleach and just a little tip of bleach because you know you can't wash dishes without bleach. What's washing dishes without bleach? So let's go. So I'm gonna use the soap powder.
Soap powder.
And I'm gonna use just a little amount of bleach. Okay guys, so I got this protein powder because as you know that I stated first in the video that I'm doing a weight loss journey and I'm going to the gym, so you know your girl gotta get those protein in. So I'm currently taking whey protein. This is it. Interesting plant to show you guys this morning. So although no tuna, this is the real Jamaican tuna. If you have any back pain or pain in the muscle, pain in the joint, you can you can cut it up in water and drink it in the mornings. And this can use into your hair also. When washing your hair, you can just slice it into and scrape the middle part and use it for your hair and get a cap over it for about 25 to 30 minutes. And yeah, this thing is good for muscle and joint inflammation, and this treats your hair also. This is very good. This is another protein powder, but this one is without flavored. The one I showed you guys before, it's strawberry flavored. So this is the non-flavored.
Non-flavored.
Yeah. Jamaican Maggi seasoning. Yeah. You see this make your pot nice, guys. Trust me. This seasoning it's really good. Really, really good. Ginger powder.
Ginger powder. Mommy, look, this one. The red one. That one nice. It's dirty.
And this now, this is the pink Himalayan salt. Yeah, this is really good. This is really good. This is better than the regular salt. This is really good. This has a lot of benefits. This gives you a lot of energy, guys, so you can check it out. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean up over this section of the kitchen. As I stated before, I just moved in my apartment, so it's not all fully finished, so I'm just gonna get this section cleaned up. Let's go. And guys, this is another interesting plant. This is the aloe vera. This can also use to drink. This is very good for like detox in the body. This can be used in your hair to wash your hair. This has a lot of benefits for the hair. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, really good. Yeah, Jamaican cayenne pepper. This is really good. This has a lot of health benefits also. Yeah, guys, I'm health conscious, so everything has to do with health, I always get them. So this is really good. This is really, really good. I use this to season my meat. I use it in my pot when I'm cooking. Yeah, it's really good. I'm back, so I'm gonna just clean up my vegetable tray. Yeah. These are lime. Yeah, these are lime. Good to make juice and stuff like that. And this is real Jamaican nutmeg. This is used in your porridges and your punches and stuff like that. This is really good. So it's basically it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.